Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar continues to hold to a firm performance with the overnight market edging higher towards the highs around 67.94. With that resistance cleared at 67.70 may give room up towards 68.45. I'm a little bit cautious because the technicals from the MACD is still remaining somewhat lackluster and therefore fails to support the current strength. Overall, though, the market will be looking towards our top side as we now head towards the Australian CPI data. Along with that, on Thursday morning at 4 a.m, we get the US Federal Reserve, which is highly expected to hike rates 25 basis points to a range of 525 to 550. It's the highest level since 2001. Any pullback on the day should find support roughly around 67.25. The euro still remains somewhat negative as the market now pressures the downside to an intraday low of 110.20. And from that, still has room to reach its objective, which is around 109.80. The dollar index, meanwhile, still holds around 101. All eyes will be on the ECB rate decision this week, with an expected 25 basis points as well, following with the US Federal Reserve. Any advancement should find resistance around 111 to 111.20. Dollar yen outlook was a little bit weaker overnight, with the hanging man that was posted on Monday. The Tuesday price action now looks possibly to a slight pullback towards the support area, seen around 140.70, and beneath there, if breached, to 140.10.15. Overall, though, I'm not going to get too negative because the fact from the technical point it's still bullish and therefore could see further tests and look towards the region of 142 and then maybe up to 144. The pound staged a recovery overnight after getting close to that uptrend, which is seen around 126.55.70. From the rebound, though, the market still has a little bit more work to do. And clearing 129.25, that would give further scope towards 129.75.80 before any pullback. The support, however, still stands firm, as I mentioned, at 126.55.70. The gold, well, the market is attempting to try and come back after the 4-day negative, and along with that, with a posted outside range day confirmed and this whipsaw price action following, still sees at this point in time of another down test that could see the market on towards the region of 1,946. Any upside attempts beyond 1,970.72 is expected to fail. Oil continues its upward move since reaching its objective of $78. Now looks towards 79 to 80 as a target. Looking at any pullback, the market is somewhat shallow, and therefore the last 4 days of strength still could see this market move up. But I would be cautious as there is a bit of divergence when it comes to the RSI and also the MACD. So therefore the market may struggle towards $80 a barrel and then see a potential pullback to around 76.60. But overall, I think the market may find dips are the way to go due to the fact that the bullishness is holding quite well with the ADX. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.